Hi children, today I am going to discuss about 4th standard science subject, a new topic, man-made fibers. The fibers, they have two types, natural fibers and synthetic fibers. In this video, we will learn about synthetic fibers or man-made fibers. And man-made fibers, it has four types: rayon, nylon, polyester and acrylic. Let us brief about this topic. Synthetic fibers or man-made fibers. These fibers are made by human beings with the help of chemical process. Hence they are called synthetic fibers or man-made fibers. These fibers are obtained from coal, petroleum and natural gas. These fibers are obtained from coal, petroleum and natural gas. It is also known as man-made fibers. Synthetic fibers are the result of extensive research by scientists to improve on naturally occurring animal and plant fibers. Joseph Swan invented the first synthetic fiber in the earlier 1880s. Joseph Swan invented the first synthetic fiber in the early 1880s. There are four types of synthetic fibers: rayon or artificial silk, second one nylon, third one polyester, fourth one acrylic. Once again, types of synthetic fibers: rayon, nylon, polyester and acrylic. Then rayon, the source of wood pulp; nylon, the source of silk and wool; polyester, the source of petroleum products; acrylic, the source of wool products. The first one, rayon. It is the first man-made fiber, rayon. It is the first man-made fiber, rayon, R-A-Y-O-N, rayon. Rayon is prepared from cellulose, that means wood pulp. Though cellulose is a natural polymer, it needs extensive chemical treatment to form rayon. Hence, it is also considered a semi-synthetic fibers. It is also known as semi-synthetic fibers. Once again, it is the first synthetic fiber is rayon. Rayon was called artificial silk as it is lustrous. Rayon, it is also other name artificial silk. Rayon fiber has the same comfort property as natural fibers. Rayon is recognized by the name viscose rayon in the textile industry. It is cheaper than silk. It is cheaper than silk. Rayon was the first synthetic fiber produced artificially. It obtained from cellulose. It is considered a synthetic fiber because cellulose needs extensive chemical treatment to form rayon. So, rayon has been producing since the 1880s in France. In which place? In France, the year 1880. It is a cheap alternative to silk fiber. It is also called as artificial silk as it has silk-like appearance. Next one, properties of rayon. It is a good absorbent. It is a good absorbent. It does not strings. It does not strings. So it is very cool. So it is very cool to wear. A textile fiber or fabric made from regenerated cellulose and artificial silk is called rayon. It is having as beautiful structure like of silk. It was obtained from chemical treatment of wood pulp. It is a man-made fiber. It is cheaper than natural silk and can be woven like silk fiber. It can be also dyed into wide variety of colors. It is mixed with cotton to make bed sheet or mixed with wool to make carpet. Next one, nylon fiber. First fully synthetic fiber produced by man in 1935. 64 million pairs of nylon stockings were sold in the first year itself. Nylon got its names from the cities of New York and London, where it was marketed initially. New York and London. Nylon is a thermoplastic. Nylon is a thermoplastic that melts on heating. Nylon was first developed by American scientist Wallace H. Carters for M.S. DuPont de Nemours or Company America in 1935. It is the strongest synthetic plastic material which can be molded to any shape. People believed that nylon has been named since its products were simultaneously launched in New York and London. The properties of nylon: it is a very strong, lightweight, moth resistant, durable and long lasting, elasticity and sterility, cleanliness and washability, lustrous and affinity to dye. Okay students, I hope all are understood today's topic. Thank you for listening students.